Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Julie. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace a tissue paper roll. I'm here in my toilet, and as you can see, my toilet is finished. Sorry, my tissue paper is finished, so I'm supposed to replace the tissue roll. Yes, so what I'll do, I'll just come here, take this here, and then put this tissue roller aside. Have my new tissue paper here, it is here, and then I'll put this rod here, and then slowly make sure that it is fit. It is fit very well. And there, you are good to go.